how many little triangles are there in each shape of the sequence of a stacked triangle? So this is a stacked triangle. Which number sequence does this give? Can you explain why? So let me first explain a term. You guys already know it, but let me explain this. What is that I'm marking? This is an example of a row. And this triangle has how many rows in total? 4 rows. Please make observation. Are there 4 rows? Yes, there are 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong. There are 5 rows. Even I didn't count actually. There are 5 rows. Okay. So the number of little triangles depends on the rows. How are they dependent on the rows? That's the question. What we'll do is I'll write the rows over here and the number of triangles. I'll do that. Then let's do this now. First row has 1 triangle. Second row has 3 triangle. Third row has how many? Fourth and fifth. Please count. Pause and count. Third row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fifth row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you guys agree? Now, if they tell, we have a stacked triangle of 2 rows, then we'll add 1 plus 3. Is that correct? Or there are 3 triangles? If someone tells you guys that the number of stacked triangle, the number of rows in that is 2. How many smaller little triangles are there? How will we do it? Well, we can count 1 and here 3. And what should we do? We add them up, is it not? The sum is 4. And that's the whole point. That is, we'll be able to answer this first question by just expressing in this manner. The number of little triangles in a given stacked triangles is equal to sum of, how can we describe this now? Sum of what? All these are odd numbers, is it not? Sum of odd numbers. Is that correct? Is that enough? No, sum of odd numbers will not help us. Sum of odd numbers, even it can be 7 plus 17 also. Sum of first set of odd numbers. That's better because at least we are telling that, we are looking at number 1, starting from number 1, we are going sequentially. That is described. But can I tell that it is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus, when will it end? We need to describe the ending point also, is it not? Yes, we need to describe the ending point as well. And the number of odd numbers depends on the number of layers, or you can describe it as rows. The larger triangle. So this is how we are able to define all of this. Does it make sense? Okay, which sequence? So let's call this as part B. The sequence that it follows is 1 and then 1 plus 3, that is 4, and then 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 4 plus 5, that is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 25, so on and so forth. So this is basically your square number sequence is what it follows. Now, can you explain why? Can you explain why does it happen? Actually, answer is there. Because it's sum of first set of odd numbers and added in sequence. The number of odd numbers depends on the number of layers. So it has to be so. So I think I have the explanation over here. Each stack shape is built row by row, starting with a single triangle at the top. In each new row, 2 more triangles are added to its previous one, creating a sequence such as 1, 3, 5, and 7. This pattern reflects the consecutive. Consecutive means one after another. One after another. Odd numbers. The total number of triangle in each complete shape is the sum of the first n odd numbers, which forms a sequence of perfect square. So whenever we add consecutive odd numbers starting from 1, we always end up with a square number. Okay, so this is good enough explanation. So I think I'll stick to that.